So you just shot him just like that in cold blood?
Nigga was trying to scuff my J's.
Okay.
So I shot his ass.
Alright, so after he was laying there, basically life was on the ground, what did you do?
I stepped over his ass and I had made me a bowl of Frosted Flakes. Cause it was breakfast time. You know what I'm saying? They tried to come in the house. It was like 8 a.m.
Okay, early robbery, burglary.
They thought I was gonna be sleeping, but I'm up early cooking chickens.
Okay, alright. Real street nigga.
Real street nigga type shit, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, so what?
I'm having 100 shooters in Atlanta, nigga! My bad, bro. My bad, bro.
Alright, so, what gun did you use? Was it a pistol? Was
nigga, I had the motherfucking Draco, nigga. Motherfucking Draco, nigga. I'm having 100 shooters, nigga. 100 shooters in Atlanta, nigga.
All right.
They won't talk about, bro.
All right, calm down,
no, you be trying me, bro, just because I made it dance, bro. They think that I won't shoot a nigga, bro. No, I'm a real street nigga, bro.
No, Big Soldier,
real street nigga, bro. These niggas be fucking trying me, bro.
No, Big Soldier, calm down. We know. We respect you, man. I'm not trying to get you riled
up. I made Superman, nigga. Yo, nigga.
We know, Big Soldier. I'm not trying to get you round up or anything like that. I just want to ask the questions. All I'm here for. How did you feel afterwards? You feel bad? I don't do that, Big Soldier.
Nobody plays my music anymore.
Big Soldier, don't. I still listen to those one D's. I mean, which one?
Nobody else do though.
Nigga, we met. Oh, Big Soldier. Damn, Big Soldier. Well, did you at least go to his funeral? I mean, you killed him.
I ain't had a hit. Sis gets me through the phone, bro.
Let's keep it about the burglary, man. Let's keep it about the burglary. I know it's hard. Don't worry about it. Just, damn, Big Soldier. Damn.
I used to sell ringtones.
You did, Big Soldier. But you got the Draco, right? The Draco. You got the Draco, right?
And this shit ain't even real, man.
I mean, what about the ice? You got
these Nintendo controllers.
So you can play on the go? You want to play on the go? Like you? Damn, Big Soldier. All right, well, I'm going to have to end this interview, man. Anything else you want to say to the people, or you smoking good gas, right?